But it's great to see the success of businesses across the county receive support through the UK Shared Prosperity Fund. Through our business support team, we've been able to support over 80 businesses with grant funding. It's also created over 40 jobs and enabled 24 businesses to invest in low or zero carbon projects to help sustain their businesses.
Mae Blas yr Oed wedi bod yn rhan o streidfawr yn Llanrwst ers bron i 20 o flynyddoedd bellach. Mae o wedi rhoi y cyfle i ni ddiogelu swyddi yma, ond mae hefyd wedi rhoi y cyfle i ni ail-wampio y caffi oedden ni'n awyddus iawn i ail-agor. Hefyd, os ti'n edrych ar y siwrne ni i sustainability ac yn agenda gwyrdd ni, mae heina yn eitemau drud iawn. Felly, wrth gael y cyfle grant yma, mae hynna wedi galluogi ni i gael yr agenda gwyrdd sy'n bwysig i ni fatha cwmni, ond gallu wneud rhai o'r buddsoddiannau mwy yn y realaeth.
We are Gerallt Evans Metal Craft. We're a bespoke metal fabrication company. The funding enabled us to invest into infrastructure, sustainability and increase our service offerings to our clients. The main outcomes of the support was the introduction of green energy, which has enabled us to focus on developing the company. They've included the introduction of new machinery. We have managed to employ another part-time employee, so it's enabled us to increase our capacity to employ. It's vital that this type of support is available to companies, especially within rural locations like ourselves. The support extends further than just a financial benefit. It enables us to work with the council to understand what is needed within the local area and within the nation as a whole.
So we're holiday cottages on the coast of North Wales with a fishery in the winter time, and in the summertime we've got a splash aqua park which we opened last year. So the support we've had has allowed us to grow the business sooner than we may otherwise have been able to do. It may have taken us another year. So we're able to hit the ground running with the funding that we got. It's allowed us to have an extra employee. It's allowed us to create a much better visitor experience with having the money to create nice changing areas, more accessible areas, shop, reception, website, wetsuits, and of course the aqua park itself, and helping buy that and establish that. And having the support that the Conwy business have given us as well in the background, and the advice that we've needed, and the engagement we've had with them has been really, really beneficial for us as a business.
We're Wild Horse Brewing Co. We're based here in Llandudno on the North Wales coast. We're 10 years in the brewery business. We're now producing an annual production of about 250,000 litres, so it's about 440,000 pints. Commercial brewing is quite an energy intense process. The Shared Prosperity Fund grant became available, so that allowed us to actually install a solar power system a lot earlier than we would have done. It was completed the beginning of this year, and we're now starting to see the benefits of the solar power generation. We think that we could potentially generate as much or even more possibly than 50% of the power that we use, so it's huge in terms of reducing our carbon footprint but also saving on the costs of electricity going forward for the business. So it's going to allow us to support growth going forward, so that secures existing jobs that are here in Conwy County, but also it will allow us in the future to create new local jobs as well. We're really pleased with this support and what it's allowed us to do and how it supports us going forward.
I think for a business it's very important that they see the support coming through from government, through Conwy County Borough Council and the business support team to help those businesses be sustainable long term for the future and the economy of Conwy.